Hi guys, so for today's video, pupunta po tayo sa Dubai Mall para manood ng Dubai Fountain. Ito po yung Burj Khalifa. Around 5:30 po kami andyan. Then, igagala po natin yung bagong salta from Korea. Yan o, palakad-lakad pa o. Sige lang. Sige, picture pa more. Daming tao. Ito naman yung Souk Al-Bahar. So, para siyang Europe style. At ito naman si Pet Malu. May paimoy-imo pa. Pero sa totoo lang, binibilang ko kung ilang floor yung Burj Khalifa. Around 7:30 PM, nag-start na ang Dubai Fountain. Every 20 minutes, meron siyang show. Dubai Mall, also known as the home of the Dubai Shopping Festival, is one of the world's largest shopping malls in UAE. It is also the most visited mall because of the Burj Khalifa view and the Dubai Dancing Fountain. Visitors can freely enter the mall and browse the shops. However, specific attractions such as Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, the VR Park, and Kidzania required a purchase ticket for entry. So yun na nga guys, tama na ang papapanggap. Nosebleed na tayo. At ngayon, papasok na po tayo sa loob para kumain. Dami pa rin tao kahit 9 PM na. So guys, hanggang dito na lang and see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.